Today, we're diving into how to add apps to your Apple TV 3rd generation. While this generation might be a little older, it can still bring a surprising amount of new experiences with the right apps. Before we start, it's important to know that the Apple TV 3rd Gen doesn't have the full App Store experience like newer models instead. Apps are pre-selected and added by Apple, or are accessed through services that have built-in apps. Think of it less like a vast download wonderland and more like curated channels. The first step is easy a circumflex euros. Grab your Siri remote or Apple remote for your Apple TV 3rd Gen. You'll be using this to navigate. Make sure your Apple TV is connected to the internet. Now head to your Apple TV's main menu. You'll see a grid of icons representing pre-installed apps and services. Your journey to adding new apps often begins by exploring these existing options. While it may look like an app store, the Apple TV 3rd Gen's App Store icon is actually a gateway to curated content and channels that Apple has made available. Tap on this icon to see what's offered. You won't be downloading individual apps to install. Instead, you'll find services that have their own integrated apps. If you see a service you subscribe to, like Netflix, Hulu, or YouTube, and it's listed here, you can simply select it. Once you select a service you've already subscribed to, like Netflix, it will automatically open and function as its app. There's no separate download or installation process for these selected services. If a service isn't listed, unfortunately, it's not directly available on the Apple TV 3rd Gen. It's crucial to understand compatibility. Apple periodically updates the available services, but newer apps or those requiring more processing power might not be supported on the 3rd generation. Always check if the service is explicitly listed or featured on the Apple TV 3rd Gen's interface. To summarize, adding apps to your Apple TV 3rd Gen isn't about downloading from a traditional app store. It's about accessing pre-approved services and channels directly from the main menu or through the featured App Store section. Explore these options, and you'll find plenty of entertainment.